Investing, it's a valuable skill that I feel everyone needs to learn. My name is Heidelberg, 20 this year, currently waiting to graduate from Singapore Polytechnic. For me, I feel that investing is an essential skill regardless of what your academic background is, because I feel that investing is something that will allow a person to have more control over their finances, especially because you're receiving passive income. How I actually found out about the value investing program is through my mother, because she is actually one of the coaches for this program, and she felt that this was definitely a necessary skill that she wanted me to have. I actually really liked on the 4th day we were able to present our findings for the Singapore and US stocks to other people, because it gives us the chance to show other people why we actually chose these companies. One of the most helpful lessons is learning about the economic moat of a company, because actually there are many factors that influence whether a company is a good pick or not. So I would definitely want to recommend my friends to this, because it's something that I feel that they should learn as well. I feel that in Singapore's education, investing really needs to take a foothold. It's a valuable skill that I feel everyone needs to learn.